Good day, truthers. I am the intpwatcher, and I'm going to show to you today a video which is quite shocking. If you want to prove to somebody that geoengineering is happening, please show them this one. So we're going to look at the surface pressure charts from the Met Office, and you can see down here to the west coast of Spain and France and England and Ireland, we've got some cold fronts, and that's the blue triangles. Okay. Now we're going to take a look and go over to zoom.earth, and we're going to sit back and watch this unfold. In the Bay of Biscay, in the English Channel, ahead of the cold fronts are planes. Lots and lots of planes. How many do you reckon? 50? 100? 150. Let's go a little bit further down and rewind it and just take a little look. They seem to be spraying here in the dark, so you don't see it. It's obviously when the people are in bed, and obviously it's out to sea, so no one's going to see it apart from if you look on zoom.earth. So as you can see, there's just hundreds, and below in the Bay of Biscay, oh my word. I'll stop and rewind that. Another 100, easy, in that area alone. Those are all contrails. None of them are natural. That's another, what, 100 in there? How many planes fly in one day in one particular area? I mean, look at France, there's nothing there. Look at Italy, nothing. Hungary, nothing. There's no other planes anywhere. Look all the way up there. Sweden, nothing. Ireland, overcast. But on England, ahead of the cold front, we've had quite a chemtraily day. There've been nothing but, and as you can see here, there's hundreds of them, all flying ahead of the cold front. Why are they doing this? Well, if they're creating clouds, that should create shade, and it should be cooler, and that would cool down the warm front. But it's not getting colder, it's getting hotter. So that means what they're putting into the clouds is highly reflective, because clouds are becoming brighter. The more reflective, it's heating things up. So whatever they're spraying is heating us up. Now, sunsets used to be red. Red sky at night, shepherd's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. When was the last time you saw a red sunset or a red sunrise? They are pink now. Pink. So after a lot of research, I found out that aluminium oxide refracts pink. Yeah? So it's aluminium oxide that's getting put into the atmosphere, which is one of the brightest particles that exist, highly reflective, highly flammable, and in its metal dust form, explosive. So if you think about this is being sprayed in the sky, I'll have a quick look at America actually. Let's just see. Everywhere, no planes. Pretty sure America has a lot of flight paths. Where are all the plane tracks? Go to Africa. Do people fly to Africa? There's no plane tracks here. What? Why is there no planes? Let's look at Arabia. Any planes there? No, don't see any whatsoever. No one's flying there today. Everyone's just flying on the west coast of Spain and France. Let's check out Kazakhstan and anything there. Mongolia, anything there? Nope, don't see any planes whatsoever. Look at Europe. The only ones I can see are to the left. There's no one else. Nowhere else are they flying planes apart from here. And look how they've turned into one giant cloud. That was all planes. Every single bit of that is planes. I would say, what, 99%? I can see some clouds at the bottom there that might be normal clouds, but look at that, crisscross, hundreds upon hundreds of planes turned into a cloud, flying ahead of cold fronts. So this aluminium's going to come down to the ground. It's going to rain down to fall down to the ground eventually, and the rain will evaporate, leaving behind this highly flammable explosive particle. Why do you think we're getting wildfires? Why do you think they're increasing? This climate change narrative is man-made. Yes, it is man-made. They're not telling you a lie about that. People are making it with planes, but they're not CO2. CO2 is plant food. We breathe it out. This is something different. So you've got to realise there's a paper here. I'll find it in a second. Saying that airplanes make clouds brighter. Aeroplanes make clouds brighter. But they don't. It's like pollution. They don't know exactly what it is. It's soot or something like that. No, it's aluminium because it's pink. So if you think anybody thinks that geoengineering is BS, just try to explain to me why all those planes are in that one area and there's none anywhere else on the planet. Try to explain to me why there's aluminium in the brains of a bee pupa. Try to explain to me all these things without saying what I think you're going to say. It's a conspiracy theory. It's not. It's obvious. Like, subscribe, comment, share with someone you don't think believes or knows that this is happening, because it is happening on a grand scale. Thank you. Oh yeah.